Yeah.
Here it is.
Here's Isaac. Say hello, Isaac.
Okay. Alright. Hello, world.
This is all this stuff in here, chopped up, put in there. Bananas in there. Milk right here.
Smells like, what do you call it? Bananas. Should I try it now?
Yeah, go ahead.
It's hard to swallow. It tastes like cucumbers and bananas.
Blend it some more.
Put some more milk. More milk. Should we throw some raw eggs in there?
No. Hold on. Yeah. Put this on.
No.
Yeah.
That'd be great. That's bad. That makes it look good.
Yeah. Try it again. Taste the tomatoes.
Really? I taste the cucumber the most.
I don't taste bananas anymore.
So this is how you make it. You put it all in a blender.
What should we call it?
Goose. The goose law.
Goose law.
The goose law drink.
Isaac and Kaylin's goose law drink. Your nose.
Let's spit it back out.
You gotta drink it now.
It's impossible to chug. We have more to go.
We got this much to go.
There's gotta be another way. Any more lemon juice? I don't even taste the lemon juice in it, do you? Make it taste better.
More whipped cream.
No, we should. That seems better.
Yeah, ready with whipped cream.
Might as well, right? Just use this.
Alright. This defeats the whole purpose of being healthy.
Let's throw it in there and blend that. Your own size.
Almost. Alright. Almost dropped it.
You gotta hurry up and drink this.
Alright. Right.
Wait a minute, I had more than you.
No.
Yes. Pepper. Pepper.
Ray, come here.
She's eating the pie stuff. But, oh. No.
Not itching.
Doesn't like it. Of course, who likes to throw up? Alright, let's try it. It's the last bit.
Hold on.
No, we can't have any more whipped cream. Mm-hmm. He's actually a little better. Kinda.
Yeah, it's better. But
Look at that.